We go about our daily lives understanding almost nothing of the world. We give little thought to the machinery that generates the sunlight that makes life possible, to the gravity that glues us to an Earth that would otherwise send us spinning off into space, or to the atoms of which we're made and on whose stability we fundamentally depend.
What's up, YouTube? A little groggy this morning. Just got up. Gonna go meet up with a friend, and we're gonna go to this place called Detweilers for breakfast right before I gotta go to work. So I feel like it's gonna be a rough one this morning.
Spend much time wondering why nature is the way it is, where the cosmos came from, or whether it was always there. If time will one day flow backward, or whether there are ultimate limits to what humans can know. What is this small piece of matter?
Detweilers mission accomplished. Did you see all the fucking shit that they had there? I've never been to that place, and it's like a cornucopia of deliciousness, if you will. Fucking blue crab dip and lobster rolls and meats and all kinds of produce. Place is right up my alley. I'm gonna be going there more often. Right now it's time to go to work, but luckily I got a fucking gyro, and I got what else did I get? Some like ham and cheese croissant thing with like pink lemonade and black cherry soda. I basically did a whirlwind adventure of Detweilers and came up with that shit. So how was Detweilers, bro?
Are you filming me?
No. Maybe. How was it?
It was a successful trip.
Yes, it was.
I feel like we got enough food for like 5 people.
Sweet. Fucking delicious. Fucking Taco Tuesday. I gotta find the closest restaurante that has tacos. I feel so fat today. You know, some days like you feel fatter than other days. Today is like one of those fat days. Like I might eat a banana or something and then go get tacos, but just to make sure that I'm not like over super fat, just like doing super obese activities. I might just sneak in an apple, even if it's in an apple pie. I might sneak it in. I got some sad news. It's Tuesday and I'm not eating fucking tacos. Do you have any idea how upset I am? But there's been a small change in plans. Gonna go get some Dickies, which is barbecue, for anybody that doesn't know what Dickies is. Yeah. Alright. Here we go.
It's not hypnosis. This is mind control. The result of conflicting neural impulses. A conflict of mind and body. auditory trance is a far more effective path of manipulation than the other senses.
Okay, so we came up here to shoot some shots of just like time lapses and shit, and there's like a fucking hawk nest, and when we went up close to it, the fucking hawk jumped out of the thing. Look, let me show you. That's the fucking nest looking in there. 4 eggs, and look at these motherfuckers, they're across the street. These motherfuckers are across the street, just hanging out, just waiting for us to fucking leave. Let's get the fuck out of here. This is the lengths that I'm going to bring the people entertainment. You know what I mean? I'm a man of the people at the end of the day.
Oh, there's a car coming.
Oh no. He's on the he's on the 4th floor, bud.
He wants revenge. He knows what you drive.
Are you fucking, he came to...
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Is he in the
he's
fucking...
He's making one.
He's inside of the fucking thing. Holy shit. Cross your fucking fingers. Look how big that fucking thing is. What's up, bro? Hey! Look at Bobby hanging out the fucking sunroof. What's up, bro? She scared the fuck out of me. Honestly, how beautiful is this shit? Well, like, look at all that shit. You know what I mean? Fucking gorgeous.
There's nothing I want, just
Alright, here's the barbecue that I promised.
to move on quietly.
Come close, arms around you.
Tacos.
Come
Oh my god, so good.
away, away. I miss the warmth of your touch and your embrace.
Barbecue mission accomplished. Now we're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna get some firewood. Everyone's beaming at us. We're gonna get some fire. Oh Jesus! Get some firewood and light a fire. And yeah, that's a hot dog and a bun on my shirt. Yes, it is. Check that out. I would help, but I kind of got my arms filled. Bobby, you want to help? No, no. Okay, thank you. You gonna stay there? All right. Loading up the 2016 Explorer with firewood. About to have a bonfire. And why am I cradling this like a little baby? Like a wee baby. Right? Three, buddy. Three.
Of your memory. Hold.
Just out here enjoying the fire. Trying not to burn down the neighborhood. It's about 70-ish outside. It's pretty nice.
Your memory.